Hello, guys. Let's make this ancient Igbo delicacy of our ancestors. See, when you travel to the East, especially if you still have grandparents, just make this soul food for them and they will thank you forever and ever. But though I spice up my own with cow leg, I think then they used to use dry fish. But today I'm going to use cow leg and make this. So please enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share to your friends and family. Bye.